everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today we're going to talk about orange flowers, orange foliage, anything with that bright or burnt color. Actually, did you know the color orange for flowers means or symbolizes joy, vibrance, and excitement? And it is exciting, which is odd to think because orange, black, and purple are the colors they used for Halloween. Although the orange pumpkin is used for Harvest Day, which is, I guess, does bring joy. But let's talk about what we're going to do with these orange flowers. And I have a list of several. I have the orange echinacea, which is great. It's a perennial, and I keep it in this pot every year and I leave it out and it actually reseeds. So, and then I have some other ones. This is Proven Winners, the Super Bells Dreamsicles. And obviously you could see the zinnias. The zinnias and dahlias are perfect, but this is a burnt orange. And what I want to do with some of these, and here's the nasturtiums, and obviously the marigold, the begonia, there are just so many, the purslins. What I want to do with these pots is I want to pot them, and then I'm going to add some black or purple sweet potato vines, and by the time fall comes here, I'll have a beautiful arrangement and I'll replace the arrangements on our front deck. So this is really great. So I'm going to enjoy it now and I'm going to enjoy it in the fall. So what I'll do, oh, by the way, this pot, concrete pot, funny story, my daughter and grandson and I were driving and there's a trash man trying to pick up this concrete pot. Don't throw away your pots. Put a free sign out. But this poor trash man was going to try to break it up because he couldn't pick it up to put it in his truck. So we got it in my car and we have it. So, and always fill these part way with styrofoam because you need to bring these in or you need to cover them. And the roots, unless I'm doing a tree, will never go that far. Just a quick helpful hint. So I just want to talk about the colors, and I'm going to arrange these and then I'll let you know what it looks like. Now, if you want to make a really bold statement, you just need one pot with a creeper like Creeping Jenny. It's already stunning. Now ignore this tree that can't decide if it's living or not. And then I'm going to put this burnt orange zinnia and it'll just flow out. In about a month, this will be stunning. Really quickly, is this root bound? Okay, when you see it like this, I rarely mess with the roots, but this one's so bad, I'm just kind of pull it away gently. Now, I have to tell you, the reason I do orange around this time, all the big box stores are getting rid of their flowers very cheaply, so they could bring in the Halloween flowers, which are the same ones that they're going to sell. So remember that next year. All right, let me show you with each pot. What I did with this one, I did 2 of the Super Bells Dreamsicles, so this will cascade over. I did 1 marigold, which you can't see yet, and then I did 2 of the African daisies, which are orange. Now, to throw a kicker in, I put 2 of these purple sage. These won't grow very big right away, but by the time fall comes here, it'll have that look that I want. Okay, in the large concrete pot that somebody threw away, I did what I told you not to do. Don't overpack, but I have reasoning. What I did is I have 2 of the black sweet potato alternating with the orange nasturtium. These are not going to take space in the pot, but they're going to cascade down. So the front of this pot is going to be amazing looking. Then I have 3 French marigolds, and then in the back I have the really dark burnt orange zinnias. So it will, from tall down, it'll be amazing. I just wanted to show you what the zinnia looks like. And with the creeping Jenny, it will be stunning. This will probably be the most stunning container. Last container, this one was done before. With the echinacea, I have one Dusty Miller, which will just have that really ghostly blue look. Well, not even blue, it's white. And then I have the floss flower that are orange, and then I have one of the dark purple sage. And that's going to be for the holidays in October. But this is the time to start thinking orange flowers for fall. You can't think of the holidays too soon. Have a great day. And this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.